For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The number of local transmission cases of COVID-19 is rising at a faster pace in Ernakulam in Kerala. With this, the district administration has increased the number of containment zones. As of July 7th, there are 9 containment zones in Ernakulam. Though the numbers are rising at a lightning speed, the district administration does not want to impose triple lockdown. Agriculture Minister V.S. Sunil Kumar said that the Kerala government would not declare triple lockdown in Ernakulam. Sunil Kumar further added that the state government would rather declare more containment zones. There is a looming possibility of community transmission in Ernakulam. The police have intensified patrolling in Kochi of Ernakulam district. The district administration has also increased the number of checkpoints in containment zones. As of July 7th, Kerala has reported over 5,000 cases and has 2,000 active cases. Though Kerala was the first state in the country to report the first positive case, they managed to control the spread of virus. In the meantime, Government Medical College and research institutions have been trying to find an effective treatment for COVID-19. The Government Medical College Hospital in Ernakulam has come up with an innovative way to treat COVID-19 patients. Dr. Fatahuddin, Nodal Officer for COVID-19 in Ernakulam, has come up with a new treatment called Dexapron.
We have introduced a new protocol of treatment for our COVID patients who are admitted with features of low oxygen level in the blood, what we call hypoxia and respiratory failure, who are confirmed COVID cases. So what we have done is anyone who comes with a low saturation level of 93 or below with fever and other symptoms with breathing difficulty, they are immediately shifted to the ICU or in our isolation COVID care dedicated ICU wards.
In Ernakulam, Dexapron treatment has given a ray of hope to COVID-19 patients. In the hospital, the patients are made to sleep in proning position and oxygen is given to them.
We keep the patient on their stomach, what is called the prone position. We keep the patient on their stomach, prone position, and give oxygen. Along with that, we also administer dexamethasone injection 6 mg daily for 10 days, as evidenced by the world famous paper which came from UK, which actually tried this dexamethasone in a large number of patients. In fact, it was the largest clinical trial on patients with a drug like dexamethasone.
The nodal officer claims that this treatment has worked for COVID-19 patients and has saved many lives.
And this treatment has virtually saved many patients going in for ventilatory support. And if any patient who goes in for ventilation, first of all we try with our non-invasive ventilation, where also we can keep the patient in the prone. If they tolerate it, many of our patients are tolerating by keeping a mask over their face in the prone position with continuous oxygen administration, with supplemented by our dexamethasone injection. So this is called the Dexapron concept, which we have introduced in our Government Medical College, Ernakulam, Kerala.
Whether it's starting from scratch to develop a vaccine or testing the effectiveness of an existing drug, countries are in a race. Healthcare companies across the world have been working day and night to immunize patients against the virus. In Kerala, Dexapron has some encouraging results in treating COVID-19 patients.